The project we want to present is the public vector database based on Web3. The vision is using dataset as Web3 public good could be used free for every AI program. And here is the GitHub link of our project, and it is released yet, so we will show it later. A public vector dataset based on Web3 is a project to make vector datasets as public Web3 public good, allow public read permission, and using smart contract as governance of the wide permission. The problem we solved is the traditional vector datasets solution is deployed localized on the server, and it is difficult to make it as a public good and share it with multiple applications combined with AI. The vision of ours is to build a Web3-based vector dataset paradigm, making the infrastructure of Web3 plus AI and let all data contributors benefit. And here is the architecture of our project. They have four modules: a vector dataset, blockchain controller, blockchain data saver, and smart prompter. The vector dataset module provides a complete process of parsing, slicing, writing, retrieving, and filtering data from various original data sources such as PDF, Markdown, and PPT. The public-wide vector dataset is complete, open to read, and has plugin support which can be stored on the blockchain network, thus become a stable public service. The public-wide vector database is suitable for vector databases of public good that is expected to be written by multiple parties, such as open source codes. And the next module is blockchain controller module. Okay, and we can see the smart contract address in the README of this project. The blockchain controller module provides the capability of the vector dataset wide permission management. After the contributor submit the proposal, the database management committee will review the proposal. Members of the database management committee can be human or AI. For examples, privacy, the preserving AI, data compliance checking AI, and more. Regardless of whether the final application is approved or rejected, the submission process, voting results, and final reviews will be carried out on the chain, thereby ensure a trusted record of behavior on the blockchain. The next module is the blockchain data saver. It could be save the data of the vector database through a persistent network to ensure that the vector database can still be restored in the case of a single point of failure, such as lost all the data in the local. So this service will with super robust. And let us see the demos on chain. Okay, here is the home page. Okay, and here is the example embedding data set. Okay, it is Aptos smart contract fragment, but it is sliced into atomed pieces. Then let us search in the data set. Okay, here is the ask question. Give me the examples about struct, and it will search the data set and got the result, not as the traditional database. Okay, here is the 5 results in the data set, and we can filter it to make it more accurately. Okay, here are the other structs. And here is another module, the smart prompter generator. It is a template after we click it here, okay, it will generate the prompt by the result that we just searched, and we could ask ChatGPT about by the prompt, or ask the smart prompt another module of this project. The last page is the proposal viewer. It can view all the proposals, okay, submitted to the data set. And here is the governance app, which the contributors could submit their proposal. And here is the smart contract we deployed on the Aptos test network. Okay, that are the seed functions. Okay, it is we can add voter or reset voters of the committee. Okay, and proposal function is the function which to submit the proposal. Okay, it can be called by anyone, and the voters in the committee could approve the proposal or deny the proposal. Let us have a summary. The most important features are as follows. The first one is the high robust persistent network storage ensure high robustness of the vector database. The second one is confirmation of contributors' rights. Contribution rights ensure that data contributors are truthfully recorded, so governance contracts and that thing become the basis for incentives for the contributors. Okay. The third one is public goods. Make read permissions public to provide support for innovation AI applications. The first one is the code type public goods. It's the sub of the public goods. The vertical that is card in first, and the code is automated and entered into the vector data set, which become a powerful tool for developers' domain knowledge. Okay, the last one is the team introduction. Our team names Nonstick DAO, and the vision is helping indie hackers in DAO gain life growth. And the slogan of us are cool-oriented programming. You can connect me by the WeChat or by the Telegram. Thank you a lot.